students, in the earlier video we have seen the introduction part of geometry. What is the geometry? From where the geometry is originated and the basic points of geometry. Now we will start with the exercise 4.1. Use the figure to name. Use the figure. One figure is given on the right hand side. We have to use this figure to give the answer of this question. We have to write A, 5 points. We have to write the 5 points from here. So this is the point. D is the point. Yes. So I will write point D. The next E is a point. So point E. This is the point. Point O. This point B, and this is the point C. So these are the 5 points which is shown on the figure. Next, a line. We have to write a line. So here you can see this is the line. Line BD. The line BD. This BD, or I can read DB, or I can say BE as well. बोल सकती हूँ ना line. But a line, so I will write only one line BD. 4 rays. We have to write the 4 rays means one end point, one arrow. So OD. 4 rays OD. Next OD, then after OC, OB, and the last is remaining this O and point E, O, E. These are the 4 rays. Next, 5 line segment. We have to write the 5 line segments. So you can see ED, OE, OC, next OB, and the next is BE. All these are taken B and E. So last line segment BE. Here just we have to see the figure and we have to write the answer of all the questions. Question number 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. This line is given. I have to write the name of this line in a 12 way. अलग अलग तरीके से 12 वे में हमें ये line का name लिखना है. So I'm starting from this point A. So I can say AB. Look at here carefully. AB, AC. Then AD. In 3 ways done. Okay. Next. Now I will take the B point. BC. BD. Next BA. 6. Now I will consider this C. CD. CA. CB. Then D point. DC. DB. And the last is DA. So these are the 12 possibilities to write the name of this line. Question number 3. Use the figure to name. Here also we have to use the figure to give the name. First, line containing point E. Where is the point E? You can see point E is here. On which line? Line AE. Line AE. Next, line passing through A. Point A is here. Point A में से कौन सी line pass हो रही है? AE. Next, line on which O lies. On which line O lies? O lies on line CO. or I can write OC. Last, two pair of intersecting lines. Two pair of intersecting lines, दो line की जो एक point में मिले. So here I can see this line and this line. Again, this and this. So this line is AE. A is intersecting with which line? CO. AECO. So AE and CO. Next is AE and AE and EF. AEEF, they are also intersecting at this point. So AE and EF. So here is done the question number 3. यहाँ पे questions में कुछ नहीं है. Just we have to look at the figure and then we have to give the answer of the questions. Question number 4. How many lines can pass through? How many lines can pass through on a one given point? These questions I have shown in the theory part. From one point we can do the countless line. We can draw how many lines? Countless lines means count नहीं कर सकते. और from two given points only one line. Only one line. Two given points, only one line. One given points, countless line. Question number 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each case of the following. Here, some cases are given. We have to draw the figure of that question. Point P lies on AB. AB is the line segment. Point P lies on AB. So first I will draw a line segment AB. So line segment AB. Which point lies? So I can put anywhere on the line segment. So point P is on line segment AB. XY and PQ intersect at M. These XY and PQ are lines. So I am drawing here XY. So this is the line XY. This is the line PQ. So XY and PQ lines intersect at point M. Line L contains E and F but not D. Line L. So first I will draw a line L. You can draw the any cross line or vertical horizontal, but for the space purpose I am drawing the horizontal line only. Line L contains point E and F. Line L के पास point E and point F है but not D. So D को मैंने कहाँ पे लिख दूंगी? Outside of the line. Condition satisfied. Question number D. OP and OQ meet at O. OP and OQ lines. So how can I do? This is the line OP and OQH meet at O. So यहाँ से ही मैं दूसरी line draw करूँगी. So OP and OQ done. OP line and OQ line meets at point O. So here the question number 5 is done. Question number 6. Consider the following figure of a line M and say whether the following statements are true or false. So यहाँ पे जो line दी है, we have to see that line Q, M, O and P and we have to state whether the statements are true or false. So first A. Q, M, O and P. Q, M, O and P are points on the line MN. Line MN means this line. Line तो इतने में तो नहीं होगी ना, पूरी line होगी because lines goes infinite. So these all points are on MN. Yes, so this sentence is true. Next, MONR MONR points on a line segment MN. First of all, I will see the area of the line segment. Line segment MN इतना होगा. Line segment तो infinite नहीं होगी ना. Line segment MN. MONR on a line segment. Yes, so this sentence is true. Next, MN and R endpoints of line segment MN. This is the line segment MN. So MN and R endpoint. Yes, MN and R endpoint of the line segment. True. Next, O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. O and N को endpoints बताए हैं किसके? OP के. So let's see what is the line segment OP. Line segment O will start from here and OP. तो यहाँ पे O and N end point होगा या O and P end point होगा? O and P will be the end point, not O and N. So this sentence D will be false. Next, M is one of the end point of line segment QO. M is the end point of QO. Q and O. Q start Q से होगा, O पे end होगा, तो फिर M तो होगा ही नहीं ना line segment का end point. So this sentence is false. F. M is point on ray OP. M is a point on OP. OP will start, OP ray will start from here O to P. तो O to P में कहीं भी M आया ऊपर? No. So this F is false. Ray OP is different from ray QP. OP is different from QP. So let's see. OP, QP. Yes, पूरा अलग है. OP, ये है OP. O से start हुआ, P पे end हुआ. ये तो Q से start हुआ, P पे end हुआ. So these two rays are different. So this sentence is true. H. Ray OP is same as ray OM. OP and OM same हुआ कभी? OP यहाँ जा रहा है, OM यहाँ आ रहा है. So this is the same? No. So this sentence is false. I. Ray OM is not a possible to ray OP. Ray OM is not possible to ray OP. Question number H. Ray OP is I. Ray OM is not opposite to OP. OM and OP opposite नहीं है. So let's check I. OP and OM is not opposite. This sentence is false because these are the opposite. True. Because OP यहाँ जा रहा है, OP and OM इस साइड जा रहा है. O is not an initial point of OP. OP ray का O ही initial point हुआ. So this J is false. K. N is the initial point of NP and NM. NP and M. So N ही initial point है, NP and M. So K is true. So here we have done with the exercise 4.1 based on the basic concepts of point, line and line segment. So if you have any question in this exercise 4.1 or in the introduction part of this chapter, so you can leave the comment in the comment box. Any questions you can write. I will reply to your comment. Thank you for watching.